How to add filters on WhatsApp video call. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add filters on WhatsApp call. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Google Play Store and make sure that your app is up to date. You will find this update button here. If you don't have your app up to date, just make sure to press on it to update the app to its latest version. And then from here, you just want to open up your WhatsApp chat and open any chat that you want. Now, from here, you just want to start a video call. So just tap on the video call icon like this and tap on. So once you do that, all you need to do now is go ahead and tap on this icon right here. What this will do is it will pop out all of these filters. You can find warm, cool, black and white, and many more of these filters. And if you want to change your background, just tap on backgrounds and you will find all of these uh, pre-loaded backgrounds on WhatsApp chat. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.